Supply chain transformation at Johnson Controls. Well, joining us today to speak about that, Corey Graven, Executive Director, Supply Chain North America at Johnson Controls. Corey, welcome.
Thank you.
Corey, for anybody who is not entirely familiar with Johnson Controls, give us a little rundown of what it is that the company does. What's the space it works in?
Sure. Johnson Controls Power Solutions is the world's largest provider of automotive batteries. We build approximately 160 million batteries globally, worldwide, serving the automotive space, serving lawn and garden, marine, and power sport.
Well, clearly this is a complex supply chain that you're talking about, but I understand that you have embarked on a transformation project there. So walk us through that. Just what's going on? What was the need to make that transformation? Tell us about it.
Sure. As the leader of North American supply chain, one of the elements that I was most concerned about stepping into this role was really understanding how we're going to manage our complexity within our network and how do we put the tools and the resources in place to manage through that. Logility has been a partner of ours for a long time on the demand planning side and really starting to partner with them on the supply planning side to make sure that we drive cost out of our network, we deliver to our customers' expectations, and to continue to improve on our performance.
I think Logility has been working with Johnson Controls on the demand planning side for 20 years or more, if I'm not mistaken. Supply planning side, how long has that relationship been going on?
So we kicked off the supply planning initiative about 2 years ago. We're in the midst of actually piloting it in a number of our facilities in North America and looking forward to a complete rollout this June.
Mm-hmm. Well, now, as we said earlier, clearly a supply chain that is global the way yours is highly, highly complex. So what do you see as the needs there? What is it that you're looking to achieve?
So really we're converting from a decentralized planning model to a centralized planning model where we can have a holistic view of our network, look across our network, make the decisions that are going to drive and support those customer service level targets that we have, making sure that we're making the decisions that are going to drive those cost level targets, managing our transportation across our network, which is a significant portion of our spend.
Mm-hmm. And let me ask you this. When you were considering this transformation project, did you vet any other providers or did you realize that it was Logility that you wanted to go with for this project?
Yeah, we did not vet any other providers. We had that long-standing relationship on Logility DP. We're happy with that relationship. We're happy with the way the tools integrated together and felt that that was the right approach to move forward with.
How would you characterize the status of the project, the transformation project today, and where is it going?
Yeah, so we're still very early in the stages of this transformational project. I expect to see in the next year or so, we'll see significant change within our organization, within the supply chain team, within the resources, continue to evolve and continuously improve those tools, and in the end, really drive that performance that we expect through the business.
Well, clearly you are partnering with the right entity to bring that comprehensive end-to-end visibility that you just mentioned. Corey, I know you're busy here at the conference, but you found time to speak with us about this fruitful relationship. Best of luck to you going forward. Thank you.
Thank you very much.
It's Corey Graven, Johnson Controls, speaking with us today about supply chain transformation at the company and its partner, Logility. Thank you for watching.